Before the Great Pyramids, before the pharaohs, even before Babylon, there was Sumer. The cradle of civilization, nestled between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, gave birth to writing, law, and gods unlike any other. Among them were the Anunnaki, powerful deities, or ancient astronauts. The word Anunnaki roughly means those who came from the heavens. According to ancient Sumerian texts, they were the offspring of the sky god Anu and the earth goddess Ki, celestial beings tasked with shaping the world and overseeing humanity. But who were they really? Title: The Anunnaki, Sumerian Gods or Ancient Aliens. The Sumerians, who lived over 5,000 years ago, left behind thousands of clay tablets etched with cuneiform, the earliest form of writing. These texts describe a divine pantheon led by the Anunnaki, with gods like Enlil, Enki, Inanna, Ninhursag, and Utu. Enlil, the god of wind and order, was said to control destinies. Enki, the god of water and wisdom, was humanity's ally, a god who shaped mankind from clay. Inanna, goddess of love and war, was fearless, seductive, and descended into the underworld and back again. But some researchers say these gods were more than myth. They may have been visitors from another world. Enter the ancient astronaut theory, a controversial idea suggesting the Anunnaki were not gods, but advanced extraterrestrials who came to Earth in the distant past. Popularized by writers like Zecharia Sitchin, this theory argues that the Anunnaki came from a distant planet called Nibiru. They descended to Earth in search of gold, not for jewelry but for technological reasons. According to this version, they genetically engineered early humans using their own DNA to create a labor force to mine Earth's resources. Sitchin's interpretation suggests that the Sumerian gods' powers, flight communication over vast distances, manipulation of life, could be evidence of highly advanced technology, not divine magic. The winged discs, rocket-like carvings, and even descriptions of heavenly boats are cited as clues. Were the Anunnaki simply misunderstood astronauts? But mainstream historians disagree. They argue that the Anunnaki were symbolic mythological beings, representations of natural forces, human values, and cosmic order. There is no mention of Nibiru in authentic Sumerian texts. Many of Sitchin's translations have been criticized for inaccuracies and creative liberties. To scholars, the Anunnaki are gods, not engineers from space. So which version is true? The mystery of the Anunnaki lives at the crossroads of science, myth, and belief. On one side we have ancient texts describing divine beings with extraordinary powers. On the other, we have modern reinterpretations, reimagining these gods as interstellar beings. Maybe both are right. Maybe the myth is the memory, a distorted recollection of something real, passed down over millennia. Could the Anunnaki be echoes of a forgotten encounter with something, or someone, not of this earth? Whether gods of sky and storm or travelers from the stars, the Anunnaki have left their mark, on clay tablets, stone temples, and now, in our imagination. Their stories still echo in the winds of Mesopotamia, whispering secrets of the first gods, or the first visitors. The Anunnaki, Sumerian gods or ancient aliens? Subscribe for more ancient mysteries.